We will guide you through how to limit hotspot users on your Samsung device. That way you can set a maximum number of devices that can connect to your mobile hotspot. So let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do is you want to swipe down from the top of your screen, and then you want to click on this settings gear icon. Then you want to click on connections. Then you want to click on mobile hotspot and tethering. Then you want to click on mobile hotspot. Turn on mobile hotspot. Alright, so we have all of these settings where you can change your name, your password. You want to click on this third one right here that says banned. Then right here you want to click on advanced. And right here where it says broadcast channel, you want to click on that. And right here you can select any numbers. You can select 2, 3 or 1, depending on how many devices you want to be able to connect to your hotspot at a time. So I'll just select 2. So that way only 2 devices can connect to my mobile hotspot at a given time. So you can select any number depending on the amount of people you want to be able to connect to your hotspot. So that just how to limit the number of devices connected to your hotspot. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.